sucks on this camera, but there you go. It's all been painted. Radiator's been painted. Air cleaner's painted. There we go. Interior new starter solenoid that needs to be replaced. There we go.
As you can see, sails run fine. Yeah. See that fan on that bad boy? Yeah.
Let me get up. Don't let me get in the way. I'm going to bend over and do it. Nice water. Over there. Come on in there.
Alright. That's about.
How do you know it's the head gasket? It's the head gasket. Watch. It's right here. As you can see, the yellowing of the bolts and all that milk down in the head. Alright, I got the heads off. Been wiping out the cylinders. I got to clean off around them. I'm going to clean off. Went ahead and redid it. And there's the heads laying over here, awaiting to be put back on. All painted, freshly painted. Third, fixing the car, and here's what we got done so far. Yeah. There's the heads torqued down on this side, on the passenger side. Heads are torqued back on. Hey, today is the 30th of May, 2010. I've went ahead and we've done a lot of work on this car. It's coming back together really nice. The valve covers are on. The headers are on. New gaskets down there. Valve cover gaskets on, brand new. Intake manifolds on. There's sealant around the back part of